Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? I believe that you are in good health. Today, I, Ashish John, your English teacher of class 4th, I'm here to give you an online class on the topic noun. So, my very first question to you, what is noun? From the class 1 onwards, you have studied about noun. Your teachers must have taught you about nouns. So, what is noun? Your answer will be a noun is the name of a person, place, animal, or things. Or in the other words, you can define it as naming words are called noun. Okay, so let us take an example on noun. Nicky and his dog are playing with football in the garden. Nicky and his dog are playing with football in the garden. So here in this sentence, in this example, Nicky is a person. Nicky is the name of a boy and boy is a person. Then Nicky and his dog. Dog is the name of animal. Dog is an animal. Are playing with football. Football is a thing and football in the garden, and garden is a place. So in this sentence I have stated all the four person, animal, things and place. So I think it is clear to you that noun is the name of a person, animal, thing and place. Okay, now let's move further. I have categorized noun into two categories, that is a common noun and a special noun. Special noun you can say it as proper noun. Okay, so what is common noun? Common noun is a name which can be used commonly for a person, animal, place or things. Just note, commonly for person, place, animal or things, or you can say it as a general name of a person, place, animal, thing. Commonly and general name of a person, place, animal or thing. Let's take an example on this. Example, he is a clown. In this sentence we are talking about clown, and clown is the name of a person. Clown कौन होता है? Joker, and Joker is a clown is the name of a person. It's a general name of a person. Okay, let's take a second example. They live in a city. City is a common name for the place. It is his dog. Dog is the common or general name for an animal. This is a pen. Pen is the general name for the thing. Okay, so I think it is clear to you. Common noun is a name which can be used commonly for a person, place, animal or thing. Commonly means आप किसी भी चीज़ को, like boy, for example boy. Just I'll take one example from a day-to-day school life. When we go to the school and a class teacher takes our attendance, what does your class teacher call out when he or she takes attendance? Like ma'am or sir says like this, okay, a boy, a girl, no na. Instead of this, what ma'am or sir says, Prashant or Puneet, they call out your names, okay, for the attendance. So boy, girl, animal, thing, it is the general name, common names for a person, place, animal or things. And note, common noun are not capitalized. Common noun are not capitalized unless they begin a sentence. जब तक हम सेंटेंस के सबसे फर्स्ट लेटर कॉमन नाउन नहीं होता तब तक हम कॉमन नाउन को कैपिटलाइज नहीं करते हैं, until and unless they begin in a sentence. I hope it is clear to you. Now we'll move further to special noun or a proper noun. Special names given to people, place, pets, days, months and organization etc. are proper nouns. Abhi in common noun we have studied about the common name for a person like boy, girl. Okay, now here in special noun or proper noun, उन boy girl को हमने क्या दे दिया? Name दे दिया. We have given special name given to people. We have given names to people, place, like people, people, place, days, months, organization etc. Like people, अभी हम लोग boy बोल रहे हैं, like boy, my name is Ashish. Okay, so Ashish is a special name for a boy. Now place. Okay, let's take an example over this. Example, Rajesh the clown entertains people in a circle. Here we are talking about Rajesh, who is a person. Rajesh is the special name. Rajesh is the special name for the clown. Hence it is a proper noun. Now let's take a second example. They live in Mumbai. Like in common noun, I have stated the example. They live in a city. City बहुत ढेर सारी होती है. But here I have mentioned the name of a city. They live in Mumbai. तो Mumbai is the special name. Mumbai is the special name for the city. Okay. Now third example I took in common noun was it is his dog. कि वो उसका dog है. But what was the name of the dog? Here I have mentioned the name of the dog. The dog name is Zambi. So Zambi is a proper noun. Okay. So note, all proper nouns begin with a capital letter. Now see the difference. Here in common noun we have only mentioned the common names of a person, place, animal or thing. Like for example, clown, city, dog, pen. Clown is a person, city is the name of a place, dog is the name of an animal, and pen is the name of a thing. But in on the other hand, in special noun or proper noun, we have mentioned the name of a clown, that is Rajesh. We have mentioned the name of a city, that is Mumbai, and we have mentioned the name of a dog, that is Zambi. So they all are special names. So this is the first difference between common noun and proper noun. And second difference is I have mentioned you. Here common noun are not capitalized unless they begin a sentence. Common noun जब तक capital letter में नहीं होता तब तक हम लोग उसको बिल्कुल like very beginning में नहीं लिखते हैं sentence के. But on the other hand, all proper noun begin with a capital letter. अगर हम किसी का name लिखते हैं, we have to begin the name with a capital letter. Now note the special name given to country. This is very important. The special name given to the country, that is New Zealand. If I write New Zealand, I'll not begin with a small letter. I'll begin New Zealand with a capital letter because New Zealand is the name of a country. Hence, we have to write it in a capital letter. The special name given to a country, city. Like if I write Agra, I'll not write Agra. I'll not begin Agra with a small letter. I'll begin with a capital letter. River, if I say river Nile, so Nile, I'll not write it in a small letter, I'll capitalize R. Okay. Then the special name given to a country, city, river, mountains. If I write the name of any mountain, okay, I'll write it in a capital letter. Monuments like Agra Fort, Taj Mahal, I'll write it in a capital letters. Festival, etc. is a proper noun. So all the words in proper noun begin with a capital letter. I hope it is clear to you. Okay, let's now recapitulate what we have learned in this online class. The very first thing what we have studied is noun. So noun, what is the definition of noun? Noun is the name of a person, place, animal or things, or in the other words we can say it as naming words are called noun. Then I have stated an example. Nicky and his dog are playing with football in the garden. So Nicky here is the name of a person, dog is animal, football is the name of a thing, garden is the name of a place. Okay, then what I did, I have categorized noun into two categories, that is common noun and special noun. Common noun, a common noun is the name which can be used commonly, जो हम commonly use करते हैं, that is common noun. Or you can say it general name of a person, place, animal or thing. For example, he is a clown, they live in a city, it is his dog, this is a pen. Clown कोई भी हो सकता है, either it can be he or she can be a boy or a girl. तो clown कोई भी हो सकता है, that is why we are using it in a common noun. City कोई सी भी हो सकती है, आगरा city or any other city, जयपुर city, कुछ भी कोई भी city, city is a common. Dog बहुत ढेर सारे होते हैं, तो dog we are using it in a common noun. And this is a pen बहुत ढेर सारे होते हैं, तो we are using it in a common noun. And common nouns are not capitalized until and unless they begin a sentence. And now special noun or proper noun. Special name given to the people, place, days, months, organization are proper noun. एज आई गेव द एग्जाम्पल, जब भी आप लोग की मैम ये सर अटेंडेंस लेते हैं क्लास में, तो मैम का आपको आपके नेम से कॉल आउट करती है ना, लाइक एनी कोई भी नेम, अनुज, फ्रैंक और पर्सी, एनी अदर नेम, तो आप अपने नाम से आप समझ जाते हो कि मैम किसको बुला रही हैं. दैट इज स्पेशल नेम गिवन टू अ पर्सन. ओके, सो दीज आर प्रॉपर नाउन. Example, Rajesh is the name of the clown. They live in Mumbai. Dog name is Zambi. And very last thing, all proper noun begins with a capital letter. So with this, I conclude my class. Stay quarantined, stay safe. Thank you.